The real reason you can't stay consistent isn't because you're lazy. It's because your brain is addicted to micro-dopamine loops. Discipline isn't about willpower. It's about escaping a reward system built for instant stimulation. Until you break this trap, goals will always feel harder than distractions. We live in a world where attention is currency. Apps are engineered to hijack your dopamine system. But here's what most people never hear. It's not dopamine itself that destroys your productivity. It's the microloop your brain gets stuck in. This video breaks down the psychology behind these loops and gives you a simple system to escape them, so you can finally build real consistency. The theory: the brain has two reward systems, the immediate one and the delayed one. Modern life overstimulates the first, training you to crave quick hits and avoid anything slow or difficult. This creates a reward prediction error. Your brain expects fast stimulation, so real work feels painfully slow. That's why reading feels boring, deep work feels impossible, and your goals feel less urgent than checking your phone. You're not broken, you're overstimulated. Your mind is trapped in micro-dopamine loops that kill your momentum. The system. 1. The 30-second reset. When you feel the urge to scroll or switch tasks, pause for 30 seconds. It interrupts the automatic loop and reactivates your decision-making brain. 2. The 10-minute activation rule. Tell yourself you only need to work for 10 minutes. Starting reduces threat, and once you begin, dopamine comes from progress, not distraction. The 3-input rule. Limit yourself to 3 digital input sources per day. For example, YouTube, Twitter, and 1 newsletter. Cut the rest. This reduces random dopamine spikes and protects mental bandwidth. 4. The deep work portal ritual. Use a small ritual to signal focus time. Lighting a candle, putting on headphones, or clearing your desk. The association matters more than the ritual itself. These 4 steps reset your reward circuitry and rebuild your ability to focus. The truth. Here's the harsh reality. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your dopamine environment. Motivation isn't the issue. Your biology is. Every day spent in micro-loops trains your brain to prefer distraction over growth. But if you control your environment, you control your dopamine. If you control dopamine, you control behavior. And if you control behavior, you control your life. The shortcut isn't motivation, it's mastering the chemistry behind your habits. Your brain isn't sabotaging you, it's following old wiring in a world built for overstimulation. Break the micro-dopamine loops and you unlock consistency and focus. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and watch the next one to build a system that makes discipline almost automatic.